Hey friends, and welcome back to another easy recipe. Today we are making pressure cooker pulled pork sandwiches with a simple homemade sauce. This is an easy pulled pork recipe and perfect if you want tender shredded pork but don't want to cook all day. We are starting with a chunk of pork loin. This is about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds. Season it well on both sides with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. You can absolutely add other seasonings if you like, but this keeps it simple and flavorful. Next, grab your pressure cooker and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Turn the pressure cooker to sauté and sear the pork for about 3 minutes on each side. We are not cooking the pork all the way here. We want to give both sides a nice light golden color. This step helps build flavor. Once both sides are seared, take the pork out and set it aside for a moment. Cut half of an onion. I like to keep the pieces a little larger, so it only takes a few quick cuts. Then smash and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Go back to the pressure cooker and turn the sauté function back on. Add your onions and cook them for about 1 minute. Then add the garlic and cook for another minute. As you stir, try to scrape up the bits from the bottom of the pot. Those little brown bits from the pork hold a lot of flavor. Now turn the pressure cooker off and add 1 cup of chicken broth or water. Finish scraping the bottom of the pot, then place the pork back inside. Make sure the liquid covers most of the pork so it cooks evenly and stays tender. Close the lid, ensure it is locked, and verify the pressure valve is closed. Set the pressure cooker to cook for 20 minutes. While that cooks, we are going to make a quick homemade sauce for our pulled pork sandwiches. You can always use store-bought sauce if you want, but I cannot have barbecue sauce, so this is a great alternative. In a bowl, add half a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and black pepper, Stir everything together until it's smooth. For me, it was still a little thick and I wanted a bit more tang, so I added another tablespoon of lemon juice. Feel free to adjust it to your taste. When the pressure cooker timer goes off, let it naturally release pressure for about 10 minutes. After that, carefully quick release the remaining pressure. For me, there was not much left. Open the lid, take the pork out, and place it on a cutting board. Now shred the pork using 2 forks. It should pull apart very easily. If it does not, you can always put it back in the pressure cooker for a few more minutes. You can also shred the pork right in the pot so it absorbs some of the cooking liquid, but I personally find it easier to shred it on a flat cutting board. I actually saved the cooking liquid for another dish. I added about a tablespoon of flour to it and let it thicken a little so I could pour it over the dish. Now it's time to build our sandwich. I kept this one very simple with the shredded pork and the homemade sauce, but you could also add cheese, pickles, coleslaw, or anything else you like. And that's it, friends. An easy pressure cooker pulled pork sandwich that is tender, flavorful, and really simple to make. Please let me know how yours turned out and if you did anything different. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for being here with me for another video, and I will see you in the next one real soon.